Welcome back everybody. Today I am going to teach you how to change the visibility of a repository on GitHub. Whether you want to make a private repository public or change a public repository to private, this process gives you control over who can access your code. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel where you'll find your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to change the visibility. Once you're inside the repository, click on the Settings tab in the top toolbar. This is where you can manage your repository's configuration and access settings. Now, scroll down through the settings page until you reach the Danger Zone section. Look for the option labeled Change Repository Visibility and click the Change Visibility button. A menu will appear with different visibility options. Choose whether you want to make the repository public or private. If you're making a private repository public, GitHub will show you a confirmation message explaining the changes. Review the information carefully and confirm that you understand the effects of making the repository public. Finally, click the confirmation button to complete the change. GitHub will update your repository's visibility and the new setting will take effect immediately. And that's how to change repository visibility on GitHub. Thanks for watching.